Welcome to the channel, the Fancy Pink Chick, a YouTube channel. And guys, what do I say? Let's talk about it. To all of my daughters, to all of my sisters, to all of my good girlfriends, and even my aunties. Hey girls, how are you guys doing? I hope that everyone everywhere is well. Guys, I wanted to share this cute, quick tip and slay, honey, with all of my girls. So if this is your first time tuning into the channel of the pinkness, hey boo, how are you doing? Today I wanted to talk to all of my girls about, girls, drum roll please, about how to have your home smelling amazing. Okay, guys, you may know about this through your mom, sister, cousin, auntie, I don't know, but if you don't know, Fancy is going to share her secret with you guys today. Okay, are you guys ready? This is something that I have been doing for years. I have people that come to my house and they're like, oh my God, it smells so amazing and blah, 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 blah. So, girls, what do I say all the time? No matter what somebody says, you can see with your own eyes, okay? So I am sharing my technique, guys, with the world, all right? So, guys, I use this little spray bottle, guys. I purchased this bottle from Amazon and I use this bottle, guys. You can use any bottle. You can buy a bottle from the Dollar Tree, Dollar General, anywhere that you want to. But guys, I have several bottles that are like this. I love this, the fact that the bottle is glass, and this is like, I want to say the word right. I believe apothecary jar, guys. So this, and you can, like I said, girls, you can get this set on Amazon. They have them all day, every day. Now, guys, you can't smell, of course, right now in the screen, but this water that is in here, like, it looks a little, I don't know if you're able to, well, you're not able to really see, but look, your girl's spilling water, okay? Guys, I use hot water. I just run your regular water in the faucet, right? As long as it's super hot, okay? That is key. It has to be hot. Now, ladies, the next thing that I do, this is the top that I just basically spray everything. But guys, if you can see in the screen, the bottle is not always all the way filled up with the water. And the only reason I don't have it filled all the way up, guys, because I wanted to be able to show you. So, girls, what I do next, this is the key, guys. This is the key. This is the secret of all secrets. And now your girl is exposing it. Okay? Okay. Girls, do you see this bottle? Okay? This bottle, guys, this is going to last you for a while. All right? Unless you want to buy, you're making a bottle every day, everywhere, for everybody. But girls, do you see the label on here? This is the Unstoppables. Girls, I particularly use, which one is this? This is Fresh. I love, and guys, I'm going to put it in the screen, so without a doubt, you can rewind the video to see, so you can know. Girls, I take the top off, and guys, I'm showing you right now in real time. We love real time situations. Okay, guys, I have literally, gonna be honest with you, I have literally a handful of Unstoppable pellets, right? I put this, guys, do you see what your girl is doing? I put these little pellets inside of a full jar of water, guys, and as you see, they're just sitting there on top, and that's because my water has been sitting. But girls, now all you do is shake, shake, baby, shake. You shake it up, and if your water is super, super hot, ladies, that's the thing. If your water is super hot, the pellets will melt inside of here, and as you guys can, I don't know if you can see that good, but the water is beginning to get cloudy. And that's the way that you want. That's what you want. But if your water is hot like it is supposed to be, ladies, then it will just dissolve. It will totally dissolve inside of there, you guys. See? It will totally dissolve inside of the bottle. And girls, when I tell you, and guys, please, if you don't believe me, just try this out. Try this out. And when you do it, you can come back to the video. Girls, leave in the comments what your in real time, what your honest opinions were. You can use any unstoppables that any fragrance that you like. I personally, guys, like the one that says fresh. And that's the one I use. Girls, when you are doing your regular cleaning, you can spray this mist on your curtains, on your sofa, everywhere. And I promise you, after you have did your regular thorough cleaning, you just spray this in the atmosphere, and I promise you, girls, you're gonna be like, Fancy, it smells amazing. So girls, leave in the comments when you go to the nearest and dearest, honey, Walmart, ShopRite, whatever, your nearest grocery store, wherever you can go and purchase a bottle, and it doesn't have to be this big, ladies, a bottle of Unstoppables. And please, please leave in the comments how it worked for you. Remember, guys, hot water, and all you have to do is put a handful, girls, a handful, and this will last you. You want to fill the water all the way up to the top. Once it has gotten like this. Now, once you've put your handful of pellets inside of here and it has dissolved, you just want to add more water to that so that your bottle is completely filled. And guys, this is going to save you from buying the regular aerosol cans of air freshener, because just a spritz of this in your space and voila. So girls, try it out, and please let me know in the comments if it was helpful for you, because I promise you, you're gonna be like, oh, if you're not doing this already, you're gonna be like, this is amazing. Okay, and girls, if this video was helpful for you, leave a thumbs up, this way that YouTube knows that you guys are enjoying the content that your girl is pushing out. Okay, so tell a friend about the Fancy Pink Chick, and tell them about this video, girls, so they too can have their house smelling amazing like all of the rest of us. All right, until the next time, ladies, bye for now.